If you are struggling on getting your 1000 subscribers, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a secret app that you can use to navigate and get your 1000 subscriber in 24 hours. This is actually real, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to use this app to drive traffic to your channel and everything. So you don't want to miss out. Stay from the beginning to the end of this video, because if you miss any part of this video, then this is not going to work for you. And don't come back later and tell me that it did not work for you if you did not stay and watch the video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video.
So the first thing, you are going to come to your YouTube studio, look for any video, then you are going to copy the link. Once you copy the link, then you are going to move over to your Chrome browser and head over to this website, oppose.com. That's the name of the website. Where you click on it, oppose clip, then it's going to bring you over to here. They are going to look for this website. This is the one you are going to look for. Then you click on it, then you are going to paste that video, the video link you got. You are going to paste it there. Once you paste it, then you click on get free clips. Then you are going to click on it. Then once you've done that, it's going to process. Once it's finished processing, then it's going to load your video. It doesn't waste time, like 30 seconds your video is going to show up. Then once you have done that, once you finish processing your video, the next thing is you are going to click on the video like this. Now the video is ready, you see. So you are going to click on, before that you scroll down, you can edit it. If you want your videos to be showing text, you can be showing text, but if you don't want, you are going to click on no caption. Then once you've done that, then you are going to click on get clips. So you are going to click on get clips. Once you have done that, now you see this platform has generated a lot of shots for us. I think it generated about 5 shots so far, and he has already even given the short heading and giving the short title. You know, to grow on YouTube, you need short. Short is very easy way you can use to get subscriber very fast here on YouTube is through short. And so you are just going to look for anyone that you feel is better. You see, I have generated about 5 short video. Like your video, you have splitted it into 5 places. So now from here, you can just select anyone and you're going to head over to your YouTube studio and upload it. So now you're just going to like download the video. So I'm just going to pick the first one. I'm going to pick that first one, then I'm going to copy the title. So once I finish copying the title, I'm going to download the video to my phone gallery. Then from there, I'm going to show you the next step to take. So now I'm just going to click on download HD. So it's going to download. So now it's downloading. So once it's finished downloading, the next thing is you are going to save it. And when you are saving, also always export it on XML. So now you see it has finished download complete. So you are going to click on so you are going to click on share. They are going to share it to your YouTube app. So you are going to share it to your YouTube. Once it gets to your YouTube, you click on open app. Then here,
content I did on this channel is I started making trending videos. Content I did on this channel is I started making trending videos.
Next,
like
you click on next, then we're going to process. Then now we are going to give you the title. We're going to put the title you got from Oppose clip. That's the title you are going to put here. So I'm going to come back to Oppose clip. I'm just going to look for the title. She's going to look for the title. Okay, boost views, my thumbnail secret. So I'm just going to come over here and put in the title, boost view, my auto clips. So now with this method, you can also use it to build your watch hour for your long form content. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in a few minutes. So once you are finished putting in your title, then you are going to just, you can give your short a description if you want to, but me normally I don't even really give my short description. I just upload it like that. So now you come here, you click on related video. Then you're now going to put that video, the video which you got your short from. You're going to select it here, so that in that way, when people watch your short video, they'll be directed to your long form content. In that way, you're going to get the views, the subscriber. Therefore, the AI use, you click on no. If you want to add tags, if you feel like adding any tags, you can add your tags, and you can also add your video to a playlist if you want to. So you can use this method to grow your subscribers.
This is going to bring us to the end of this video. If you do find this video helpful, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment in the comment section how many subscribers you have. Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to come to the comment section to give you tips on how to grow your subscriber more. And also don't forget to share this video. Please, I want you to share and subscribe to a lot of people out there, because there's a lot of people out there that really wants to see this information too. So thanks for watching. Till I see you. Peace out.